When Trebro was first started in 1999, we made the pledge to make the best automatic harvesters with focus on quality, ease of use, and customer service. Building the first successful fully automated sod harvesting machine was not easy and took a lot of foresight and tenacity. Starting as sod farmers, we knew that production and reliability are key. Trebro's high-performance turf harvesters have revolutionized the turf industry and helped hundreds of producers increase their bottom line by boosting productivity and reducing their workforce. Our full range of machines include the Trebro AutoStack 3. As the newest and most refined high-production machine on the market, the Trebro AutoStack 3 is the ultimate in turf harvesting production. No other turf harvester can match the productivity of the AutoStack 3. It has the capability of producing a 500 square foot pallet in less than a minute. The Trebro TSR. The Trebro TSR harvesters are without a doubt the best investment you can make in an automatic roll harvesting machine. The quality of cut, uniformity, and speed help provide a consistent product that your customers will truly appreciate. The Trebro TSS. Working in a wide variety of harvesting conditions, the TSS consistently produces stable stacks of slabbed turf. A quiet, comfortable operator's cab rotates 90 degrees to place the operator in the best position to see all the harvesting and stacking functions. New for 2021, the stacker bunk bed has been changed to a rotary system for improved speed and durability. Trebro SC2010 Roll Harvester. The SC2010 is a compact, lightweight, highly maneuverable harvester ideally suited for smaller fields. The SC2010 has the best turning radius in the industry and minimizes time spent turning at the end of the field. It is the key to labor reduction, improved harvesting efficiency, and profits. Trebro Quad Lift Forklift. This machine is designed to quickly move cut pallets from the field to the staging loading area. The ability to carry 4 pallets at a time using high flotation tires reduces soil compaction and is much easier on the fields. Trebro Service. All Trebro machines are supported by free over-the-phone service 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Call Trebro at 888-395-5867 or visit our website at trebro.com.